what steps do you think should be taken to further empower women in India, especially in rural areas?
See, to empower women in the rural area, the first important step is education, ensuring that every girl child has access to quality education, to ensure that dropouts become zero and everybody gets access to higher education as well and technical as well. So, giving proper reservations in technical education for women. Apart from education, it is extremely important to develop a startup culture, not only limited to important cities, but it should penetrate deep into the rural areas as well. And as the government is trying to empower women through different schemes, but these schemes have to be ensured that these schemes reach to the people and they are able to become self-sufficient. They able to utilize that money, like Subhadra Yojana, by giving 5,000 rupees is nothing. What will a woman do by receiving 5,000 rupees in 1 year? So, in that sense, if money is being given, it has to be ensured that it is being rooted and again used by the lady to at least invest in some business and hand-holding her, opening opportunities where she can invest in some business, get returned. So, it has to be a long process with a great vision wherein the government has to truly ensure that they are actually looking at empowering women. Also, reservations is required because women are not haven't reached up there. So reservation is extremely important in politics as well. We need more and more lawmakers. Look at the ratio. Lawmakers is extremely less, like less than 10% in our state, in Lok Sabha as well.